Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Think cabbage is just a boring side dish? Think again, because this precise East African high heat technique turns this humble vegetable into a vibrant masterpiece. This is a very simple no spice recipe. When cooking vegetables as a side, it's best to keep things simple and let the main ingredients stand out. However, if you like to spice yours, feel free to adjust the spices to your liking. Please find the ingredients in the description and let's get cooking. On high heat, saute the onions until translucent, and just as they start browning, add the tomatoes. I stir and cover this for a minute or two to allow time for the tomatoes to soften. At this point, I add the cabbage and vegeta and cover for another minute. I stir to combine and adjust salt to taste. Then I cook this for 3 to 4 minutes and turn the heat off. And just like that, the cabbage is ready. I served it with rice and chicken shorba and it was delicious. It also goes well with grilled meats and ugali. I hope this video inspires you to try this recipe. If you do, please let us know how yours turned out. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching Asedoskitchen. See you all in the next video.